Namaste, welcome to our Das kitchen. Today we are going to make tandoori chicken. For that we take 500 gram chicken. You can see we will cut like this, so masala will go inside easily. For the tandoori chicken marination we need, this is yogurt, ginger garlic paste, kasturi methi, dry fenugreek leaves, and this is our dry masala powders all. Now we'll take all the masala in our mixer bowl. So 2 teaspoon yogurt, so ginger garlic paste 2 teaspoon, mustard oil 2 teaspoon, two teaspoon red chili powder, so kasturi methi, fenugreek leaves half teaspoon, or kasturi methi you can call in Hindi, garam masala 1/4 teaspoon, chaat masala also 1/4 teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, one teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, taste to salt, we'll take 1 teaspoon. Mix it nicely, all the masala. Now we will add little lemon juice, around 1 to 2 teaspoon lemon juice. I'll mix it well. Masala is ready. We'll add the chicken and marinate it nicely. You can see our chicken marinated, so we'll keep in fridge like 8 to 10 hours. We came back after 8 hours. Our oven is on already. We keep it in oven for 20 minutes. We cook it 30 minutes, but every 10 minutes we'll check it how. After 15 minutes we come back. You can see our chicken looks good, but we need to cook more, around 15 to 20 minutes more we need. We came back after 20 minutes. As you can see, our tandoori chicken is ready, so its total take time 40 minutes and it's ready to serve. So our tandoori chicken we serve with the lemon wedges, lacha onion, and serve with mint chutney. If you guys enjoyed our video, just hit the like button and share with your family and friends. Thank you for watching.